We're here at Jay's house and we're just hanging out with friends. Hi, Jar.
Suka.
Jay's drunk.
Suka.
Hey, this is a married man. Let me see your ring. Yeah. Why are you doing that face? It looks so familiar.
Why? Jeez.
Your face is so funny.
Why? Because I'm red?
No, because you're like squinting.
Kayo siya dyan.
Ay, Jin.
Kaya Jin ba? Hindi pala yan.
Iwa ka na, ha?
Grabe naman po.
Ano kayo bubuksan ng loop?
Yung parang Oreo. Sumo. Sumo yan naman. Hindi. Mini... Sumo yun. Ngayon may bago mag-sumo. Meron akong matawag na yung...
Jay, I'm gonna post this.
Pangatigay
Right, okay.
Oo.
Tawag yun sa mga Oreo.
There.
And it goes like this. Masarap mo yun.
You look so stupid.
Oh!
Ah!
Did it.
I can't wear it. Oh my god, Jay fell asleep.
Parang lamesa lang eh. Kinagat niyan. Naiwan. Parang mulit. Parang mulit. Parang mulit. Parang lamesa. Parang ba? Was eating na. Parang lamesa lang nung pinatong. Kainin mo rin yan, Jake.
Oh.
Ipis yan, Jay. Parang piyat naman ang ilang meses. Tanga to si Mart. Tanga to si Mart. Ba't ano ka doon sa pagpatong? Ano naman? Ipapatong na nakakatawa ba yun? You twist it. I think you lick. I think you don't. So that's how you eat presto. Tako mo tayo sa isip mo. Kung ganun ba?
That's a good one. I like that one.
Ang laban ni Mikey Bustos doon. Mikey.
How's it been, Sapin Sapin?
Mikey, I'm gonna beat your record. Beat your record, Mikey.
Bye-bye.
Ano, Jay? Parang tama to si Mart.
Ba? Ang dumi-dumi ko na. Ano ba?
Papanurin mo yan pag nasa States ka na. Wala na.